Hey, future martial artists, ready to dive into the awesome world of martial arts? This video is your easy beginner's guide to picking a style, training smart, and having fun. Get strong, confident, and learn cool skills. Martial arts is not just about throwing punches. It's about transforming yourself inside and out. You'll get stronger, faster, and gain more confidence with every class. It helps you stay focused, release stress, and build discipline. It's also a fantastic way to meet new friends who share your goals. Martial arts can help you feel safer by teaching practical self-defense skills. Whether you're dreaming of being a ninja or just looking for a fun way to get fit, martial arts is perfect for anyone. Kids, teens, and adults alike. You don't need to be in shape to start. Martial arts will help you get there. All you need is the desire to learn and grow. Choosing a martial art is like picking your favorite superpower. Each style has something special to offer. Love punching and structured techniques? Try karate. Want to master powerful kicks? Taekwondo might be your style. If you enjoy grappling and using technique over strength, check out Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu or wrestling. Want a mix of everything with real-world application? Muay Thai or mixed martial arts, MMA, might be perfect. If you love tradition and flow, explore Kung Fu. Not sure what fits? No worries. Most gyms offer free trial classes. Try a few and see which one gets you excited. The best style is the one you enjoy the most and want to stick with. Finding the right dojo, gym, or martial arts school is super important. Look for a place that feels friendly, clean, and safe. The instructors should be respectful, patient, and passionate about teaching. Watch a class or join a free trial to get a feel for the environment. Are the students having fun and learning? That's a good sign. Look for schools with positive reviews or ask others in your area for recommendations. Also, think about how far it is from your home or school. Closer locations make it easier to stay consistent. A great training space should motivate you to come back again and again. Martial arts is as much about your mind as your body. Build mental toughness by setting a positive attitude. Tell yourself, I can do this. Visualize nailing a kick to boost confidence. Physically, start light. Try 5 minutes of jumping jacks or stretching daily to prep your muscles. Practice deep breathing to stay calm during tough drills. No gym? Bodyweight exercises like squats or push-ups at home work wonders. This prep makes classes easier and fun. When you're new to martial arts, it's important to keep your goals small and realistic. Instead of thinking about belts or competitions right away, focus on attending 1 or 2 classes a week. Set goals like learning how to properly throw a punch, complete a basic combo, or memorize a stance. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small. Write your goals in a notebook or track them on your phone. Small wins lead to big improvements over time. Progress in martial arts is personal. Go at your own pace and enjoy the journey. Every martial art starts with a few basic moves, and these are the building blocks for everything else. You might learn a jab, front kick, basic block, or a simple roll. These may seem easy, but they take time to master. Repetition is key. Practicing at home for just 5 to 10 minutes a day makes a huge difference. Set a small space where you can move safely and go over what you learned in class. Ask your instructor for at-home drills or watch beginner-friendly tutorials online. The more you practice, the more confident you'll feel in class. Even shadow boxing in front of a mirror can help you refine your form. Track your progress with short video clips to see how much you improve over time. Safety is super important in martial arts. Always warm up before class. Jumping jacks, arm circles, or light jogging can help prevent injuries. Listen to your body. If something feels wrong or painful, stop and tell your instructor right away. During sparring or partner drills, wear your mouth guard and any other recommended gear. Never be afraid to ask for help or slow down a technique. Good instructors care about your safety and will guide you. Respect others' space and tap out early if you're training in grappling arts, like jiu-jitsu. A safe student is a long-term student. Don't skip cooldowns. They help reduce soreness and keep your body flexible. Learning safe habits early will benefit you for years to come. Consistency beats intensity in martial arts. You don't need to train every day to improve. Just make it a regular part of your week. Going to class once or twice a week is a great start. Build a simple routine around your classes, like setting reminders, packing your gear the night before, or reviewing notes after class. Practicing at home for 5 to 10 minutes a few times a week keeps your memory fresh. And don't forget to rest. Recovery is part of training. Making martial arts a habit means you'll see progress without burning out. Try pairing your training time with a daily activity, like right after school or work. Habits stick better when they're tied to routines you already follow. It's totally normal to feel awkward or unsure when starting out. Everyone makes mistakes, even black belts. Martial arts is a skill, and like any skill, it takes time. Don't compare yourself to others. Focus on your growth. If you mess up a move, smile, fix it, and try again. Teachers and classmates expect beginners to make mistakes. It means you're learning. Keep a positive mindset and remind yourself why you started. The only real mistake is giving up too soon. Each mistake is a lesson that brings you one step closer to mastery. Progress comes from trying, not from being perfect on the first try. Having fun is what keeps you coming back. Try training with a friend or sharing your progress online. Set personal challenges, like learning a fancy spinning kick or breaking a board. Watch inspiring martial arts movies or real matches for motivation. Switch things up when needed. Explore a new technique or try a different class. Keep track of your milestones, like earning your first belt or sparring for the first time. When martial arts feels like play, you'll stick with it and enjoy every second of your journey. Celebrate small victories. Every improvement counts, no matter how minor. When you enjoy the process, training becomes something you look forward to, not a chore. That's your guide to starting martial arts. Sign up for a class, stay patient, and have a blast. You're on your way to being awesome. Like, subscribe, and share your martial arts dreams in the comments. Now, hit the mat and start your journey. See you next time.